Okay, so this is a before wash. Man, is it ever dirty. Needs quite the cleaning and vacuuming and organizing. Lots to do still before she's ready for the Vanfest. Soon to be. Thank you, bird. Yeah. She's looking good. Gotta clean up this interior zone. Okay. Got the CB here, but I can't seem to find that bracket that goes here. So I'll probably just leave it off for now. Kind of pissed me off, but what are you gonna do? Okay, so I got those fans I installed. They just hook into that 12-volt DC, but eventually I'll make them go to a permanent wiring position instead of having that plug there. But for now, I'll do these switches. They're for the cell phone. It's like a magnet, so you could have your phone stick in there. One for the passenger, one for the driver. I'll jump over to the driver's side in a minute. I'll show you the speedometer, digital speedometer, and those gauges. But yeah, this is this part here so far. I'll do a super vacuuming job in here. Still got to clean up some wires up in there. But just, yeah, I got to do a lot of vacuuming for sure. And the carpet, the seats. Okay. Still having trouble getting these fastened in there. So a pain in the ass, but I'll figure something out, I'm sure. I got these 3 switches are for the grill, lights in the grill and all that. And there's the power lighting for these lights here, control. So we got this digital speedometer, because my speedometer it's reading a little bit off. I knew it was, and plus the speedo cable, I found it resting on the header pipes, so it kind of damaged it. So it's gonna have to be replaced eventually. So it's kind of all reading off and everything. So I found this one on Temu. It's a digital speedometer. It's got miles per hour, kilometers. There's other ones that have like GPS and all that with it. But I figured just a basic one is good. So you turn it on. So you got to give it a minute to calibrate. And then when all the zeros come up, then it's ready. It's a GPS speedometer. And they say it's really accurate, which seems to be, so it's pretty good. I'm glad to have that. There it goes. She's ready to read. And so that hooks up to that USB plug right there. Which, again, I'm going to probably have that going inside the dash. And I'll just have a USB plug inside the dash here. So that it just plugs in there. You don't see the wiring. And that frees that up for like cell phones and whatever. Put these in here, little clock. That's a temperature gauge. And I guess it does humidity. Got this cool steering wheel with this thing, Chevy. And I like that it's in blue, the Chevy thing, so it matches the blue interiors, parts, and whatnot. Oh yeah, then we got this zone up here. So these speakers here, they're going to just be used for the CB. And there's that USB port, that's for the stereo, hooks up. You can still charge your cell phones on that too. That is the hole for the mic, but it fell back inside. Damn it, so I'm gonna have to take the deck out so I can grab that mic and set it back on the outside of that hole. That up in there, the sunroof. Boom. Those are my my fog light switches. The horn button up top. Got 2 holes there. They're gonna probably use for like the underglow lights outside eventually when I hook them up. Pretty sure you've seen the tack and these gauges on the other videos, but yeah. That fan is awesome. Blows pretty strong. Lots of air, so that's good. Oh, then we got the dash cam up there. Ready to record the trip to Vanfest. Okay, well, let's see what we got here. Right now I got this. It's pretty decent. It's got on-off switches for everything. I was going to put it in here, but I think I'm actually getting an ashtray to put back in that zone. Which would be good because I could put all this change and all this bullshit stuff. Can go in there. And then you can close it and cover it. So this, I don't know where I'm going to put it yet. Somewhere else. Maybe down here or somewhere. We'll figure it out. Yeah, if I got a lot of dust in here. So I gotta do some cleaning, some vacuuming. I gotta install this piece back in. Clean up, tidy up, put the pillows out on the bed. Get her ready. I'm gonna try and install this corner piece up here. So I gotta do this back part. Well, tons of vacuuming I gotta do right now, but I might put this blue shag on this here. That way I can cover up some of that bottom wiring zone. I don't know, we'll see. First things first, I gotta vacuum. So yeah, this is a pre-Vanfest cleanup. So yeah, this is a cleanup before Vanfest, about 4 days before the trip to Vanfest. So I'll make another video that's like the clean version after I clean it. I gotta buff up these tires again, the rims, clean these tires, shine them up, clean this windshield. Got this extra. So yeah, that's this video. We'll call this one the pre-Vanfest cleanup. I don't know if that's going to make sense, but we'll see. And then the next video I make will be when this thing's basically like a day before leaving for Vanfest, when it's ready to go. Oh, lights are on. Okay. Well, hang on, we can't finish the video without having this thing started. Get some rumbling going. Hey, over and out. Well, having a little R&R time here. Supposed to vacuum. You know, I go to bed. Just a little bit comfy. Maybe it's time for a little snooze. Good boy. So, we'll be back